CFOS, organized by NX Media Marketing Network Private Limited, started with an aim to create an international platform for the bicycle industrialists to promote their brand and launch their new products on a much larger scale than before. CFOS provides a stage for the dealer-supplier interaction at national as well as international level. CFOS keeps updated both dealers and suppliers about the ups and downs of the market.
So I'm proud to share with you, we have these new brands जो हमने बात की, UT, Hero, Sprint, Pro, ये हमारे सारे new brands हैं. These cycles will sell from 6,000 rupees up to 4 lakh rupees. So हर एक segment को we have tried to cater, and world is a market, and this is where we are trying, and we look for good capable suppliers which are standing around me over here.
So the both of them can make the best deals accordingly and enhance their businesses. CFOS is India's largest exhibition of its kind. MNCs from other countries like China, Taiwan, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Holland and many more showed up in CFOS 2016 held at Ludhiana, India.
From yesterday's information, there might be 80 dealers come yesterday, and today and tomorrow maybe more dealers will come. We hope, and as my opinion, it will be more people.
The response is very good, I must say. India market is growing in technology, so we believe India market is the future.
Okay, what's your goal about the cycle industry in the future?
We, together with bicycle companies, want to grow the technology level in India.
CFOS is working with an object to take CFOS to another level by conducting such expos in other parts of the India and enhance the sales of bicycles and other equipments related to the fitness industry.
But this time we are exhibiting our products and the response is good. Response बहुत अच्छा है. लोग दूर-दूर से आए हुए हैं. There are people from almost all over India who've come. और cycles के जो dealers आ रहे हैं उनके ऊपर basically major focus है क्योंकि 70% of the cycle dealers are selling fitness equipments.
CFOS began in the year of 2013 and since then it has never looked back and has grown with each and every passing year by accomplishing all its goals and motives.
मैम रिस्पांस जो मिला है बहुत पॉजिटिव मिला है. जैसे हमारे डीलर्स वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग के कुछ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 200 डीलर्स आएंगे, बट हमारे यहाँ पे 350 से ऊपर डीलर आए हैं और काफ़ी नई इंक्वायरीज़ भी हमें आज मिली हैं. एंड वी आर क्वाइट होपफुल कि कल हमें रिस्पांस और बेटर मिलेगा. हमने इस एक्सपो पे एक नई रेंज शुरू की है साइक्लेक्स के नाम पे, उसका हमें रिस्पांस काफ़ी पॉजिटिव मिला.
CFOS is one of the unique exhibitions which allows the bicycle manufacturers and the manufacturers of fitness equipment to launch and promote their products on a much larger scale. It also helps to strengthen the network between the manufacturers and dealers present not only in India but also in the other parts of the world. The 4th CFOS 2016 held on 18th, 19th and 20th March 2016 at the Government College Ludhiana was a much greater success than before. Approximately 120 exhibitors from all over the India and from the other countries too participated in CFOS 2016 to promote their products. CFOS is the only exhibition which lets the foreign companies to deal with the Indian manufacturers of bicycles and fitness equipments. It also provides the Indian manufacturers and dealers to enter the international market.
The exhibition is perfect. It's more than I expect. It's professional and have a lot of professional visitors from all over the country. So I will be here again next year.
Near about 1 lakh visitors, including the bicycle and fitness equipment dealers, distributors, gym owners, importers and the cycling enthusiasts visited the CFOS 2016. This year, the attention of the visitors was majorly grabbed by the 19 international bicycle brands which participated in CFOS 2016 and promoted their products among the Indian visitors.
This is the first time I've seen an exhibition like this so big in Ludhiana, and I'm liking it, and we're planning to also purchase a bike from here.
As the global competition is increasing day by day in each and every field, it has not even left the bicycle trade unaffected. So, the CFOS awares the dealers about all the changes occurring in the international markets of bicycles and lets the dealer to enter this global competition and promote their products globally at the CFOS. The main aim of CFOS is to increase the sales of bicycles and fitness equipment. CFOS has an object to establish the Indian bicycle market more strongly in all over the world and also strengthen the bicycle market of South India, which is still not much developed.
मैंने यहाँ पे 2 साल तो पार्टिसिपेट शायद नहीं किए थे हम लोगों ने, बट दिस ईयर आई थिंक मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर है यहाँ पे, तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट आई पार्टिसिपेटेड.
As the South Indians are more fitness freaks, the CFOS aims to establish a more stronger market of bicycle and fitness equipment by conducting its next exhibition in one of the South's most popular, approachable and strongest cities, Bangalore, on August 5th, 6th, 7th, 2016 and provide the dealers of South and rest of the India an international platform to promote their products.
लास्ट ये एग्ज़िबिशन शायद 4थी या 5वीं बार हो रही है और रिस्पॉन्स और जो इनका सेटअप है सारा लास्ट टाइम से बेटर है. इवन जो स्टॉल का उन्होंने सेटअप हमें बना के दिया है वो भी लास्ट टाइम से बेटर है एंड वी आर क्वाइट होपफुल कि आगे आने वाले टाइम में भी ये बेटर होगा. और अब सेम एग्ज़िबिशन हम बेंगलोर में भी लगाने जा रहे हैं. यही सेम जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं वो बेंगलोर में भी एग्ज़िबिशन लगा रहे हैं, तो वहाँ भी हम जाएंगे क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्स काफ़ी पॉजिटिव है.
As bicycle and other fitness equipment provides a healthy lifestyle to today's man who's dealing with various lifestyle disorders due to this hectic life, CFOS aims to create a public awareness that how cycling and using other fitness equipments are going to make people's life more healthier and more easier.